Alright guys, in continuation, you guys can see on this one here, on all these here, I end up taking off the actual brackets that hold in the camshafts. So on both sides they're out. And I guess to say, I did take them out already and just to kind of see how they would fit back in. But I did at least like kind of mark like little letters because it corresponded with the brackets themselves. You know, there was like a G, a J, and a K, and then but also I marked it here on the other side just in case these end up going away. And I took pictures of it. So when you take these guys out, just try up. But then at the same time, when you put them back in, they really only go back one way if you're able to slide the front part right here, this piece. Because if you twist it back and forth, you start to notice that there's really only one way that it would go because of the way that we put it at top, that center. So it really doesn't work any other way because that's the way this sits in there just fine. So now you do is just pull these guys out and be careful because right here on this whole part there could be oil. You just put it down in the pan. Same thing for this one. Pull out. Pull that guy there. And then there's that. So it's just to show the difference between the one that's still in, all the brackets, versus this one now doesn't have anything. So I'm going on to the next step. Alright guys.